At Orangeburg-Calhoun Technical College, we pride ourselves on providing high-quality, low-cost educational programs. We've said for a long time that our programs are free to almost free, but in reality, many of our educational programs are tuition-free. For those individuals who aspire to obtain a four-year college degree, there is literally tens of thousands of dollars that the student and their families can save by enrolling at OCtech the first year or two of the collegiate career. We are able to provide a variety of different assistance through the federal Pell Grant, South Carolina Lottery Tuition Assistance, South Carolina WINS, South Carolina Pathways, and need-based, non-need-based, merit-based, and non-merit-based scholarships and grants, all put together allows us to provide the student with a tuition-free education, and in some cases, even some assistance with books. Join the financial aid staff on Thursdays at 1 p.m. for a virtual financial aid workshop so we can tell you how you may be able to benefit from our tuition-free programs. Some restrictions apply.